Hey guys, Cyrus here, and welcome to part 2 of all of this making of loadouts series, which I'm doing. As you can see here, I've got some dudes, and they are independent riflemen who normally look like that guy over there with the AAF uniform on. And I've created these guys using a script here that I'll just run, and bing, pops in a new guy with the same loadout. They're rocking CSAT rifles with a few magazines in them and all of that. Yeah, so let's run through the code and I'll show you how this one works. Alright, so the first part, we're going to create a unit at the position of the player. So the way this works is we use the create vehicle command that takes a string, which is the class name of the soldier, in this case I soldier F, and it takes a position, which in this case is position player. And it stores the newly created unit as the variable unit. It's got an underscore at the front to make it a local variable. I'll talk more about that in another video. So the next thing we do is we take the unit and we use force add uniform, and we give a class name of the CTRG uniform. Now the reason we use force add uniform instead of add uniform is because this overrides Arma 3's basic functionality where it forces units to only wear uniforms that their side can wear. The next thing we do is we do the same thing with the vest. We add the CTRG plate carrier, and we give him a beanie, the watch cap, using add headgear. Next, we remove all the assigned items. This removes the map, the radio, the compass, and the watch, as well as the night vision. Then we're going to remove all their weapons. This also removes all magazines, grenades, and first aid kits. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to use a for each loop, which I will make another video on in the future. And basically what this will do is it'll add 5 magazines for a Katiba rifle. And then finally, we add the Katiba rifle itself. So as you can see, it's fairly straightforward code. Unfortunately, this is static. It'll only add these particular things. Next week, I'm going to combine this with the randomization I did in the previous week, and I'll show you how you can use this code to give units a random loadout.